Huawei Pura 70 Pro Review. Hello, tech enthusiasts. Today, I'll be introducing you to Huawei's latest flagship phone, the Pura 70 Pro. In this video, we'll dive into every detail, from the design and performance to camera features and battery life. If you're considering getting a new phone, don't forget to watch this video until the end. Before we start the review, let me give you a quick reminder, my dear friend. It takes me hours to prepare a video, but it only takes you 3 seconds to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Remember, you are my source of motivation. The more support you give me, the more videos on the latest tech I'll keep making for you. So, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share your thoughts in the comments. Now, let's jump into the review. Enjoy the video, I hope you like it. Design and display. The Huawei Pura 70 Pro boasts a sleek and modern design. Both the front and back are protected by Gorilla Glass, and the aluminum frame gives it a premium feel. The 6.7-inch OLED display stands out with its 120Hz refresh rate and 1440 by 3200 pixel resolution. This display offers vibrant colors and deep blacks, thanks to HDR10+ support. Plus, the screen brightness can reach up to 1000 nits, ensuring clear visibility even under direct sunlight. My dear friend, just a quick reminder, your support is crucial for me to reach 1000 subscribers. Please subscribe. Performance powered by the Kirin 9010 processor, the Huawei Pura 70 Pro delivers impressive performance. Built with 5nm technology, this chipset offers top-tier speed and efficiency. Supported by 12GB of RAM, the phone handles multitasking and heavy gaming smoothly. It comes with storage options of 256GB and 512GB, offering plenty of space. Additionally, with UFS 3.1 storage technology, you get fast data transfer speeds. My dear friend, just a quick reminder, I need your support as I work towards 1000 subscribers. Please subscribe to the channel. Camera. The camera system on the Huawei Pura 70 Pro is truly impressive. The 50-megapixel main camera, with an f1.8 aperture, captures clear and bright photos even in low-light conditions. The 40-megapixel ultra-wide camera, with a 120-degree field of view, makes it easy to capture expansive landscapes and crowded scenes. The 12-megapixel telephoto camera offers 5 times optical zoom and 50 times digital zoom, allowing you to capture distant objects with clarity. The front camera is 32 megapixels and comes with AI-enhanced beautification features, perfect for stunning selfies. My dear friend, just a quick reminder, you're my biggest supporter on the road to 1000 subscribers. Please don't forget to subscribe. Video recording. The Huawei Pura 70 Pro can record videos in 8K resolution, ensuring ultra-clear and detailed footage. With both optical image stabilization, OIS, and electronic image stabilization, EIS, you can capture smooth videos even while moving. There are also various video modes available, such as slow motion, time-lapse, and a professional video mode for more creative shooting. My dear friend, I'm grateful to you, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Battery and charging. The phone is equipped with a 4500 mAh battery, ensuring a full day of use even with heavy activity. Thanks to the 66-watt fast charging support, you can fully charge the device in no time. Additionally, the phone supports 50-watt wireless charging and 10-watt reverse wireless charging, meaning you can quickly charge your phone without cables and even charge other devices with the Pura 70 Pro. My sweet friend, just a quick note, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Software and features. The Huawei Pura 70 Pro runs on EMUI 13, based on Android 13. It comes with advanced security features, such as facial recognition and an under-display fingerprint sensor. The phone also supports 5G for fast internet connectivity. Other features include NFC, Bluetooth 5.2, and Wi-Fi 6E. Additionally, with its IP68 water and dust resistance rating, the phone can be used confidently in tough conditions. My lovely friend, you are my source of strength, so don't forget to support the channel. Conclusion. The Huawei Pura 70 Pro stands out as one of the most powerful and innovative smartphones on the market. Its sleek and durable design, high-resolution display, powerful performance, and impressive camera features provide users with a top-tier experience. The quality it offers in photography and videography is one of the key features that sets this device apart from its competitors. The long battery life and fast charging capabilities ensure that users can enjoy a seamless experience all day long. EMUI 13's user-friendly interface and Android 13 base offer a smooth and intuitive experience. With 5G support and extensive connectivity options, this phone is also a great investment for the future. If you're looking for a high-performance, stylish, and versatile smartphone, the Huawei Pura 70 Pro is definitely worth checking out. This device is packed with features that will exceed your expectations, both for everyday use and professional needs. Huawei once again raises the bar with the Pura 70 Pro, delivering the best to its users. My dear friend, if you liked this video, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Your support is invaluable to me, and every like and subscription drives me to bring you more content and share the latest tech releases. If you subscribe and enable notifications, you'll be the first to know when my new videos are up. See you in the next one. Stay tuned and keep exploring the world of technology.